Hey guys, I'm so excited because today I get to do a rapid fire unboxing of the STEM Audio ceiling device. So let's take a look inside. Quite a big box here. First step, of course, of an unboxing is to open the box. And what do we see? First thing we see inside is a STEM Audio user agreement. We will slide that to the side, and a ceiling user manual. Now, there's quite a bit of valuable information in the user manual. We get an overview of the device, how to set it up, but more importantly, there's two mounting options. Mounting option number one is to flush mount it to an acoustic ceiling panel. I'll show you the 2x2 foot ceiling panel that it actually comes with, but you can also drop it down into what we call chandelier mode or a suspended mode, and this will show you exactly how to do that as well. Beyond that, on the other side, we have a light guide and product specs, a warranty, cool picture of the ecosystem, and information on how to contact customer service if you have any questions. All right, next up is the 2x2 foot ceiling panel right here under the cardboard. Set that to the side. All right, now we take this styrofoam off, and this is where we find the device itself and a couple other cables and accessories that'll come with the device. For cabling, over here, we have our USB cable. This is 12 feet long, and our Cat 6 Ethernet cable, which is 15 feet long. The other two things you'll find in your box are for mounting the device. Pretty straightforward. And again, all that information on how to mount your device is in the user manual, which is included in the box. Now to the main attraction, STEM ceiling. All right, let's pull this big boy out. Here it is. Now on the front here, as you may know, there's 100 microphones. On the back, this is where you're going to connect your device and also where you're going to mount the device to the ceiling. You're going to place this inside of the 2x2 foot acoustic ceiling panel that it comes with, or use the mounting cables we provide you with to drop down the device into chandelier mode. And that's it. That's everything that's in the box for this rapid fire unboxing. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. We are so excited for you to get your hands on these devices and install them into your conference rooms. Thanks for watching.